Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through the assembly tutorial for the Jmmico Build and Paint Birdhouses kit. With the included materials, you can build 3 different birdhouse designs, A, B, and C. Now, let's build Model B. Our wood planks are numbered. Use planks 1 to 5. Lay plank 1 flat. And insert planks 2 to 5 into the side slots. Step 1, completed. Step 2, insert planks 6, 7 into place. Use planks 8 to 10. Attach plank 9 to the right of plank 8. Then connect plank 10 to the right of 9. Then insert 8 and 10 into the corresponding slots. Step 2 completed. Step 3, insert planks 11 to 17 into matching slots. Make sure plank 17 aligns with plank 2. Step 3, completed. Step 4, insert plank 18 into the structure completed in Step 3. You can start by inserting 6 and 15 into 18. And tighten the corresponding slots. Step 4, completed. Step 5, attach plank 19 to the slot of plank 15 wind chime hole. The round hole of plank 19 is used to connect the wind chime. Insert plank 20 into the slot of plank 6 and the round hole of plank 20 is used to connect the hem rope for easy hanging. Step 5, completed. Step 6, insert planks 21 into matching slots. Insert planks 22 into matching slots. Step 6, completed. Step 7, use planks 23-24. Insert planks 23 and 24 to the top for a waterproof effect. Step 7, completed. Step 8, use planks 25 and hem rope. Cut a piece of hem rope. Thread hem rope through plank 25 and the bottom hole of the birdhouse. Step 8 completed. Step 9, tie another hem rope through the top hole. Take out the wind chime in silver thread. Cut a section of silver rope. Thread the silver rope through the wind chime and insert it into plank 25. Model B is complete.